My name is Adrian. Was born in Leavenworth, Washington, raised here in Washington State. I lived for a few years back in New York City, in Brooklyn Heights, where I met my wife, Zoila. For Alpine High Window Cleaning, some of what I do is in the office, but also ordering supplies, training new employees, and of course window cleaning, helping customers. Something we like to do as a family is travel. Recently we were able to go to Paris, and it was a great experience. We were able to go around and see the Eiffel Tower, wander the streets, and visit, of course, some of the famous cafes. We love to travel.